Good morning everyone, welcome to another episode of Abandoned Railways in Devon. So today we are at Seaton Junction. It is a miracle that this footbridge is still intact and has been used as a public footpath. Let's go up and explore what else we will find. It is actually a lovely winter January day. So here we are, Seaton Junction train station, closed back in 1969 for passenger traffic. Now the train station is used as a yard for like cars and this kind of things. The line is still in use by Southwestern Railways, and there is a lot of trains for Exeter and for London Waterloo, which passing through here every day. It's a real shame, really. The station looks awesome. I think it's seen better days. I hope everybody enjoyed this episode, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe because that helps the channel a lot. Thank you. Till next time.